Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today I am very excited because I have with me the Sattvic Spirits Hemp Seed Body Oil. Now hemp seed has become a sort of superhero in the skin sphere, specifically because it has so many benefits that it can offer for the skin. So it is really very exciting to see an Indian brand come with a product that has hemp seed included in its formula. Now coming down to this oil, it is a multi-purpose body oil which has hemp seed oil as its base. It also includes a number of other essential oils in its formula. They include neroli, bergamot, jojoba, argan oil and a couple of others. Now hemp seed oil and hemp seed is so revered because it promises a number of moisturizing benefits to the skin without feeling greasy. Now that is the part I love the best. Apart from that, it also offers omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids to the skin. So you can imagine the amount of good that it does for the skin, because overall it makes skin very supple and soft and leaves it very moisturized. So keep watching this video. I am going to talk about my experience using this body oil as well as give you a close-up of it. Keep watching. The Sattvic Spirit Hemp Seed Body Oil comes in this cardboard container. I find it to be a very elegant and a very thoughtfully biodegradable container. This is what it looks like from the front. At the back of the container are details about hemp seed oil, the ingredients used here, how it moisturizes the skin as well, and here are directions how you can use this oil for your skin. Now the price of this oil is approximately rupees 1179 that contains 100 ml of oil. That is the back of the bottle. That's the bottle case. Now I'm opening it up to show you what's inside. This is the hemp seed body oil. As you can see, it is a clear glass bottle that it comes in. Now it is made without any parabens or phthalates. It is also cruelty free and it has a completely 100% vegan formula without using any artificial fragrances. It has this clear plastic cover over the pump dispenser. That's what the dispenser looks like. You can see the oil a little bit from here, and it's nice because you can see the quantity of oil being consumed from the outside of the container. I'm going to dispense some of it on my hand to show you what it looks like. Now I use the Sattvic Spirit Hemp Seed Body Oil for more than a week, and the best part that I liked about this particular body oil is its formula. It contains hemp seed oil which is cold pressed as its base with a number of other oils in it. So you do not get only the benefit of hemp seed but as well as a number of other really good essential oils. Argan, jojoba are the most identifiable ones, but there are even more rare ones like neroli and bergamot which add so much to this overall. So you can see that it gets benefits from really everywhere for the skin. One thing I noticed instantly is the scent of this. It is so unique compared to every other oil or any kind of fragrance really that I have used myself. Usually when you think of fragrances for any kind of product, you think of something fruity or floral, but this was so different and I think I liked it so much because it was so different. It smelled very deep and very peppery almost. I think the notes smelled a bit like black pepper to me, and I like that when I applied the oil, the scent was quite strong, but once I applied it over my body, the scent did not stay and last for a very long time on my skin. It started to fade away, so that kind of pungency, little spicy kind of peppery smell faded quite nicely and gently afterward. It didn't leave my skin smelling like a kind of spice. I really liked that part of using this oil. But I think the highlight of this particular body oil for me is the way it feels on the skin. Of course, it is an oil, so it does feel oily. What else can you expect from a body oil? But as you saw from the close-up, it is very thin, so it ends up going off and getting absorbed not only very quickly but moving off very quickly from the skin. So you do not feel a kind of greasiness and after effect of that greasiness on your skin when you use this particular oil. Once I applied it on the skin, I showed you on my hand, you may not be able to tell from this distance, but in a matter of a couple of minutes, once it is massaged into the skin, you do not feel that greasy after effect. It absorbs very easy into the skin, and it also feels light on the skin. It doesn't feel like, you know, it's weighing down, it feels like you're clogging, none of that. So that's a really nice part of this oil. At the same time, the formula is a little light, so if you like light oils, that's a great part. But if you need a more adequate, heavier, intense kind of an oil to add into your skincare routine, you'd probably need a higher quantity of this when using it, or you would need to use it in tandem with something else. That's my thoughts on this body oil. Apart from that, I appreciated that the formula came in a very nice biodegradable cardboard box. It also does not have phthalates, it doesn't have parabens, and it is 100% vegan formula without any artificial fragrances. That's probably my favorite part. So that's what I think of this oil today, and I hope you like it.